Hello, student of grade 10, NBSE Maths, Nagaland Board. Aji mohan coordinate geometry exercise 7.2 kuro. Chapter 7 ase. Idu 7.2 do section formula la upod ase. Section formula do kini ase bole suppose Cartesian plane ekta line ase with ekta point x1 y1 ase aro b ekta point do x2 y2 ase. Aro takan do anywhere ekta point p idu point p bisar bola ase bole section formula cholo lage x y ase bole idu point do kina bisar bola ase bole aro idu if this point p is cut in the ratio of m1 is to m2 idu m1 idu m2 thakise bole ratio de value do kibi hobo pare ratio m1 is to m2 thakise bole idu x aro y do kina bisar bola ase bole formula de ne ase x to x bisar bola ase bole idu formula yar rakhibol karne bi technique rakhibo lage niche de oda m1 plus m2 hobo aro y kura tam dibi niche de m1 plus m2 he hobo to upore to alternate jabo x hole x la lo m1 x2 m2 x1 du value yar rakhibo na aro idu do m1 y2 plus m2 y1 same as the formula do formula yar rakhibo lage khali janibo lage opor bi m1 plus m2 hoy aro niche bi m1 plus m2 hoy opor bi m1 plus m2 hoy niche bi m1 plus m2 khali idu change hobo x2 x1 hobo ede y2 y1 so in general in short man kurule mon jaisile direct p la value do m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 p la value inga bisarbo aro y do m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 the formula yata clear if our condition if p is the midpoint p do midpoint ase middle de ase bole suppose p do middle de ase that means p do midpoint ase bole to p la value x to kina bisarbo x1 plus x2 by 2 aro y la value do y1 plus y2 by 2 simple formula so idu dita formula janile hoise idu aro idu formula janile hoise so first man what problem was exercise 10 what problem was choose the correct option grow the coordinate of a centroid of a triangle whose vertices are balba bujai dibo de idu triangle ase kubi triangle de do ekta point do 0 6 dise b do 8 12 dise aro c do suppose 8 0 idu tinta point dikina ase de to idu do ene x1 y1 bhabibi x2 y2 x3 y3 kuntu bi low pare so centroid la meaning to ki ase gore idu medians to idu middle de gire de idu medians kode meet kore idu ke centroid kore idu middle de giribo de idu edebra idu center de giribo to idu tinta meet kora jaga ke centroid kore idu ke centroid kore aro idu centroid to odai medians ke 2:1 de ratio de cut kore idu janibo lage de idu 2:1 2:1 de cut kore de to idu centroid la value bisar bola ase bole centroid la suppose centroid to mohan odai g represent kore centroid la value bisar bola ase bole x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 kore y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 kore to idu value dali x1 x2 x3 that means 0 plus 8 plus 8 0 plus 8 plus 8 by 3 aro 6 plus 12 plus 0 by 3 do plus korle 16 by 3 aro idu do 6 plus 12 is 18 by 3 do cancel koro pare so answer to ki hobo to choose the correct answer de centroid la opor ase nale exercise te to nai na to itu answer ki hobo 16/36 so option 1 16/36 itu answer ase de centroid la value bisara itu centroid la condition to jane de itu centroid to hoda line ke medians ke 2:1 de cut kore na 2:1 itu bi 2:1 itu bi 2:1 de cut kore kle ole ekta question itu best ase to answer to buji jese hola let's do second question Kese, the point P12 divides the line joining A and B. So any graph diagram banai dibo. A do kese -2 1 aro B do 7 4. Aro points P bra divide kurse kuse. P do kese 1 2. To man ki bisara kuse find the ratio kuse. To idu ratio bisara karne idu to A la point to idu x1 y1 loi libi. Do x2 y2 loi libi aro idu do xy section formula chalabi x la formula x y value bi jane ase to ene ekta cholai lo x cholai na bi ulabo parbo x la formula ki ase m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 y cholai libi answer same ulabo y la formula cholai libi na to idu x la value to ki ase 1 m1 to najane x2 la value to ki ase x2 is 7 m2 into x1 to -2 by m1 plus m2 idu cross multiply korle 1 into m1 plus m2 hole m1 plus m2 hobo do 7 into m1 to 7 m1 minus 2 m2 arrange koribi m1 khan to left anibi m1 minus 7 m1 equal to -2 m2 idu ede jale minus m2 itu to -6 m2 jabo sorry m1 minus 7 m1 to -6 m1 aro -2 -1 to -3 m2 itu cancel koribo pare ta ratio to kina banabla asule idu m1 ase idu m2 ki niche namai dibi 3 to jaga de ase idu 6 to namai dibi to ratio to ki hobo 1:2 cancel korle to 1:2 to option 1 let's do question number 3 to centroid la hikai disina the centroid of a triangle divide a median in the ratio of 2:1 always to option 3 de ide disina idu ratio do dai 2:1 de divide kore 2:1 idu 2 asule idu 1 2:1 de divide kore so answer do 2:1 de let's do fourth question y-axis divide the line joining this and this so same as idu question jene ase question number 2 jene p do ki ase kuse -4 2 idu to x1 y1 bhabi de aro q do ki ase 8 3 cut by what cut by y-axis la point to ki thake y-axis la point to hodai ene a loi lobo y-axis la point to hodai x to na thakbo y la value thakbo de y-axis divides to y-axis te y thake x to na thake to dura x la value to 0 since like x la value to janin ase same x la formula to chulabi section formula x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 aro value dhalina answer bisarbi to x la jaga de 2x ase du y ase x la jaga de 0 ase y dhalina bisarle na pabo kele y la value na jane dubra x dhalina bisarbo lagi to m1 x2 to ki ase x2 y2 x2 to 8 m2 x1 to -4 by m1 plus m2 into cross multiply hole 0 jabo 0 into m1 plus m2 to ide 8 m1 minus 4 m2 arrange korbi ta m1 to left anibi -8 m1 equal to -4 m2 both side negative cancel the arrangement m1 question number 2 jena idu m2 niche de namibo idu 4 aro idu 8 niche de namibo cancel kuri so answer to 1 is to 2 to option do 4 ঠিক আছে let's do this find the coordinate of the point which divide the line joining to direct question ase idu point to ine a do idu ase bhabibi -1 7 b do idu ase bhabibi 4 -3 divide in the ratio of idu point bisaribi kusine 2:3 to idu m1 m2 bhabibi de a do -1 7 b do 4 -3 aro ratio do ki lobo m1 is to m2 do 2:3 that means m1 do 2 dhurbo aro m2 do 3 dhurbo de to direct point p bisaribi kuse x to ki hobo m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 aro y do m1 y2 plus same as a formula khali y la jaga de y2 y1 aibo m1 plus m2 value dalibi m1 do ki ase do m1 ase so 2 hobo 2 into 4 to x1 y1 x2 y2 value dalibi do m1 do 2 ase aro x2 do 4 ase x2 do 4 ase plus m2 do 3 ase into -1 by m1 plus m2 that means 2 plus 3 solve korlibi ede 8 minus 3 by 5 so 5 by 5 cancel korle 1 ede ki olabo m1 do 2 into y2 do -3 ase plus m2 do 3 into y1 do 7 ase by m1 plus m2 that means 2 plus 3 solve korbi do -6 plus 21 by 5 -6 plus 21 is 15 by 5 cancel korle 3 to point p to ki hobo therefore point p is 1 3 point p xy by jise na point p is 1 3 this is the answer okay next question number 2 video post kona answer likh lobi the question number 2 okay question number 2 find the coordinate of the point of trisection of the line segment joining this and this to the coordinate of the point trisection kuse to 3 equal part ase kuse de suppose moi idu a lolise point do 4 minus 1 aro idu b lolise -2 -3 trisection means 3 equal part to moi the point p b bisarwa rokhi b bisar 3 equal part ase de if the line cut in 3 equal part trisection then find point p and q so a do kilobo 4 minus 1 that is idu x1 ase idu y1 ase bhabibi aro b do 2 minus 3 that means idu do x2 y2 bhabibi de x1 y1 x2 y2 to mahanita ki korula ase point p aro q bisaro to mohan ratio change hobo for point p ratio do ki hobo sabi idu 3 equal part ase idu 1 1 1 loise gole to point p hoise gole to 1:2 idu do duita ho jay na 1:2 so for point p ratio will be 1:2 that means idu m1 ase idu m2 ase janibi de ta formula cholabi direct bhi kuro pare p koina direct na formula direct chola pare nale last question jine xy bisare na bhi kuro pare to x age bisar lo m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 aro y do m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 value dalibi yede m1 do 1 ase into x2 do ki hobo idu hobo x2 is minus 2 m2 do 2 ase x1 do 4 by 1 plus 2 so idu minus 2 plus 8 by 3 6 by 3 olai cancel korle 2 idu solve korbi m1 do 1 ase into y2 do idu ase minus 3 m2 do 2 ase y1 do minus 1 y1 by 1 plus 2 so minus 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 so point p do ki hobo p is 2 minus 5 by 3 the point q bisaro for point q khali ratio alag hobo ratio do jita man q bisare idu ratio do idu 2 hobo idu 1 hobo so ratio do 2 is to 1 so ratio do 2 is to 1 so formula same mein jabo point q karne x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 ratio e khali change hoise m1 m2 na x1 y1 do same ase m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 value dalibi m1 do 2 hoise 2 into x1 do same ase x2 do same ase minus 2 ase x2 do idu ase na x2 aro x1 do 4 ase same jabo khali m1 m2 change hoise de 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1 value dalibi minus 4 plus 4 by 3 that means 0 labo minus 4 plus 4 do 0 jabo idu dalibi aro value 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 so minus 6 minus 1 by 3 2 into 3 is 6 1 into 1 is 1 so plus minus minus is minus 7 by 3 so therefore point q is 0 and minus 7 by 3 so point p aro q bi paise let's do question number 3 question number 3 do textbook te diagram digna ase acha number 3 do pichite kuru lobo edu question ase last te kuru lobo re edu then number 4 le jai jao find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3 10 and this minus 8 divides by this idu word problem de kora ki koy choose the correct answer de kora jenga idu point a do minus 3 10 point b do 6 minus 8 divide by the point p minus 1 6 so let a be minus 3 10 b be 6 minus 8 or point p do minus 1 divide by this okay that means idu x1 y1 ase x2 y2 ase idu xy ase so xy la value jane ase x na le y kona ratio bisarlo hoijo ne x to line up bisarlo x to ke ase m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 so x la value do minus 1 ase m1 na jane mon ratio bisarlo ase x2 do 6 ase m2 do na jane y1 x1 do minus 3 ase kundu le cholai libi kuno y cholai na libi answer same pabo de moi do x la formula cholai na korase to y la formula cholai na bi kule same answer pabo niche de do m1 plus m2 cross multiply korbi minus 1 by multiply kule minus m1 minus m2. Minus 1 into m1 is minus m1, minus 1 into m2 is minus m2. 6 into m1 is 6m1 minus 3m2. m1 khan to sob left side te lo jabi aro m2 to right side te. So itu minus m1, 6m1 ide ale minus 6m1. Itu minus 3m2 minus 1 ide jale plus m2. So itu minus 7 ho jabo, minus 1 minus 6 to minus 7. m1 equal to minus 2 m2. So negative negative cancel, arrangement koribi m1 by m2. m2 niche da niche na 2 aro 7 niche da jaise. That means m1 is to m2 to 2 is to 7. This is the correct answer. Okay, let's do question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B same as A do 1 minus 5 dishe, B do minus 4 5. Aro divide by x axis. X axis korle x la value do ase, y do nai de. So once ratio paise kole find the value of x because find the point. So A do 1 solution kore ase de 1 5 dishe, B do minus 4 5 aro itu point P do x0. X axis te do point to x0 thake na. So itu x1 y1 ase, x2 y2 ase, itu xy ase. So yede y la value 0 digna ase to y cholai na kuro. Ratio bisar ase y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Moi 5 second dia ase to kan nijor ekbar solve kori sabdo. 1 minute dia ase. तो ಇದು value dalbe answer aram se ulabo. 0 equal to m1 to ki ase na jane mohan, m2 y2 do 5 ase, m2 do na jane, y1 do 5 ase. To ratio do same ulabo la. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करूँ इधर तो 0 लावा 5m1 plus 5m2 itu into cross multiply कर ले itu multiply कर ले 0 ते arrange करूँ भी क्यों दे itu minus 5 आसे दे y1 तो minus 5 आसे itu minus 5 आसे ना itu minus लावा दे minus 5. So arrange krubi 5 ide m1 to left side te anwi equal to minus 5 m2. Both side cancel. Ratio to arrange krubo m1 m2 niche te namibi 5 idu 5 niche te namibo cancel korle ratio to 1 by 1 1 is to 1. Jita ratio to same thake, that means p do middle point ase de. Ratio same ase kole p do middle point ase. So how to find x? Therefore p is the midpoint. If the ratio is same, p do the midpoint over there. That means how to find x? Therefore x equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Direct bisaro paro. To do x1 ase, do x2 ase. That means 1 plus minus 4 by 2. That means minus 1 minus 4 by 2, which is minus 3 by 2. Therefore, point P is x2 minus 3 by 2. Point P is x2 by 0. So, the final answer there. You get the answer, get the answer. That was question number 5. Let's do question number 6. Question number 6. If these are the point of parallelogram, so mahan ekta parallelogram banai dibo aru point ene likhi lobo. A do 1 2, B do 4y, C do x6, continuous of the A B C D do 3 5. Find the value of x and y. तो मान x और y ला value तो की होगा बिसारो लागे. तो इधर करने मान diagonal बनाओ लागे. मुझे by chance पूरा AC join करे और BD join करे तो diagonal दो वो आ सकते हैं. और diagonal always intersect each not intersect, bisect each other. That means diagonal itu duta line same hobo, itu duta line same hobo. That means O is the midpoint of AC also, O is the midpoint of BD also. तो इधर point O बिसारे गिना है महान x y बिसारो करो दे. For line इन्हें AC लो दे. तो AC ला दो A ला point तो क्या है 1 2 और B C दो x6 ना. तो point O दो किना बिसारो. Since it's a midpoint, formula दो x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. तो point O दो किना गावो. इधु x1 x2 आसे 1 plus x by and 2 plus 6 by 2 लिखो पर ना. तो इधु इन्हें x plus 1 by 2 है वो. और इधु दो 6 plus 2 दो 8 है. 8 by 2 इधु cancel करो पर है 4 line. तो इधु 4 line AC कुर्सी इधर 4 line BD भी point O दो बिसारो दे. 4 line BD. B दो की ऐसे 4y और D दो 3 5. तो इधर ला point O भी बिसारो भी. O the middle point है जो BD ला. So x1 plus x2 by 2, that means 4 plus, in the formula लिख लो x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That means 4 plus 3 by 2, alright there, y plus 5 by 2. 4 plus 3 by 2 तो 7 by 2 होगा, y plus 5 by 2 होगा. तो you do 1 लुबी, or you do 2 लुबी, from 1 and 2. Point O दो same है ऐसे. That means you do x term दो first term दो same होगा, और second दो same होगा. That means x plus 1 by 2 must be equal to 7 by 2. तो क्या लिखो पड़े? From 1 and 2, x plus 1 by 2 will be equal to 7 by 2. और y plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will be equal to, y plus 5 by 2 will be equal to 4. Y part देना, second part 4. Cross multiply इधर तो काटे वो पड़े. So x plus 1 equal to 7. X will be 7 minus 1. X is 6. Do cross multiply करो. Y plus 5 equal to 2 into 4 is 8. So y equal to 8. 5 इधर चले minus 5. 3. तो x और y ला value पासी. X is 1. Oh, x is 6 and y is 3. This is how we do question number 6. तो वीडियो पोस्ट करना आंसर लिखिए. Let's do question number 7. Question number 7. Find the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. ना circle बना दियो. AB तो diameter से. Whose center is center तो इन्हें P लो लो. और OB लो पर खुशियाँ से center is 2 minus 3. और point B is 1 4. तो point A तो x1 y1 लो लो. ना जाने मान बिसरो दे. The point A बिसरो. Let the points be A दो x1 y1 b do 1 4 আৰু point p do 2 minus 3 তো center আছে তো center la formula চলাব midpoint থাকিছে বলে তো formula তো কি আছে to find x1 x la formula চলাবি x1 plus x2 by 2 value dalbi ಇದು x1 y1 ಇದು x2 y2 হ'ব আৰু ಇದು xy হ'ব দে তো x তো 2 আছে ಇದು 2 আছে that means x1 plus 1 by cross multiply কৰি solve কৰিবি x1 plus 1 will be 2 2 times 4 that means x1 will be 4 minus 1 x1 is 3 এটা কিবা কৰিবি y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2 formula chalabi value do y2 to minus 3 ase y1 do y1 ase y2 do 4 ase by 2 cross multiply y1 plus 4 equal to 2 into 3 is minus 6 so y2 is minus 6 4 edi jale minus 4 y2 is minus 10 so therefore point A is 3 minus 10 x1 to 3 paise idu do minus 10 paise so answer is 3 minus 10 question number 8 if a and b are minus 2 this a or b dise find the coordinate of p to ki di dise likhibo a do ki dise minus 2 or b do 2 minus 4 আৰু point p do kado asina jane in such that point p do xy hobo do m1 is to m2 hobo such that ap is what ap is 3 by 7 ab to cross multiply koribi 7 ap is equal to 3 ab so ap equal to m1 hobo 7 m1 আৰু ab equal to m1 plus m2 লবি তো কি হ'ব 7m1 equal to 3m1 plus 3m2 7m1 3m1 is minus 3m1 equal to 3m2 so 4m1 equal to 3m2 so m1 ratio m2 নিচে নামাই দিবি 3 by 4 that means m1 is to m2 is 3 is to 4 ratio paise ita to x aram se bisarbo xy do x la value to ki ase m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 to x1 y1 ase to x2 y2 n point to x1 y1 x2 y2 thake value dalibi m1 do 3 paise x2 do sabi x2 is 2 m2 into x1 do minus 2 by m1 plus m2 that means 3 plus 4 6 minus m2 la value dalone m2 do 4 thakise de m2 is 4 so 6 4 2 is 8 by 7 so minus 2 by 7 paise du jine y b bisarbo m1 jaga nai idu pura side to kure ase m1 idu saw pare na to idu m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 value dalibi m1 do edi paina ase m1 is 3 y2 do kiman ase minus 4 m2 do 4 y1 do minus 2 by 3 plus 4 so minus 12 minus 4 2 is 8 by 7. That means minus 20 by 7. So x or y bhi paise. Therefore, point P is x to minus 2 by 7 paise. Minus 2 by 7. Or y to minus 20 by 7. The answer is there. Video post con answer likhi. Question number 9. Let's do this. Question number 9. Same question number 3 jine ase. Only the 4 point te cut kurina ase. A do minus 2 to B do 2 8 in 4 equal part kusi. 1 2 3 4 equal part P Q R logi. Itu point P Q R bisaro. So same jine ase. A do minus 2 2 ase. B do 2 8 ase. Itu do x1 y1 hobo. x2 y2. So 4 point P ratio khali change hode. So idu 1 1 1 4 equal part ase. So 4 point P do idu 1 to 3 over ratio do. That means m1 do 1 ase aro m2 do 3 ase. So formula cholabi. Direct rule ni P direct formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 aro m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 direct bracket te dhalina kore ase instead of finding x and y direct. So m1 do 1 ase 1 into x2 do 2 ase plus m2 do 3 ase into minus 2 by 1 plus 3 do 1 into y2 do 8 ase m2 do 3 into y1 do 2 ase by 1 plus 3 to ki hobo idu 2 minus 6 by 4 aro idu do 8 1 time is 8 plus 6 by 4 minus 4 by 4 aro idu do 4 plus 6 is 8 plus 6 is 14 by 4 itu cancel korle 1 idu 7 by 2. So point P is minus 1 and 7 by 2. Point 4 point Q do ratio is 2 is to 2. That means ratio do same thakise gole. Therefore same ratio thakise gole do Q is the midpoint. Middle te thakibo. That means Q do bisarabole ase gole do x1 plus x2 by 2 direct midpoint la formula middle te thakile y1 plus y2 by 2 value dhalibi x1 do minus 2 plus 2 by 2 and 2 plus 8 by 2 0 by 2 aro idu 10 by 2 cancel kurse gole 0 by 2 is 0 aro idu cancel korle 5. So ide koribo 4 point R ratio change hobo ratio do R kurse gole do Q kurse gole 2 2 thakise na R kurse gole do ide do 3 ase 3 is to 1. So ratio do 3 is to 1. That means m1 do 3 ase m2 do 1 ase. Formula cholabi R la direct cholai lobo m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 aro m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 value dhalibi m1 do 3 hoise into x2 do 2 plus m2 do 1 into x1 do minus 2 by 3 plus 1 x1 do minus 2 x2 do 2 na. So m2 do 3 into y2 do 8 plus 1 into y1 do 2 by 3 plus 1 itu solve korbi r to pai jabo 2 into 3 is 6 minus 2 by 4 8 3 is 24 plus 2 by 4 itu plus minus korle 4 by 4 aru itu 26 by 4 4 4 cancel 1 2 2 time 2 13 time so itu to r to ki hobo 1 13 by 2 so point p q r bhi paise therefore the points are p do ki paise minus 1 7 by 2 q do 0 5 and r do 1 13 by 2 so sob answer likhi dise next question number 10 last question the area of the rhombus bisaru kuse if the vertices are ne rhombus banai dibo de rhombus means all the sides are equal a do 3 0 b do 4 5 c do minus 1 4 or d do minus 2 minus 1 so idu bisaru karone mohan diagonal bisaru lage de ac bisaru lage to distance formula cholaile hobo jeta moi ac bisaru distance formula cholabi 3 plus 1 root over 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 4 do x1 plus x do exercise 7.1 la formula chola ase distance formula 4 square minus 4 square 16 plus 16 so root 32 to break korle 4 square into 2 like that 32 do 2 16 4 4 so 4 square into 2 like square number out for root 2 next diagonal bdb bisarbo to bdb distance formula chalabo bd do 4 plus 2 whole square root over 4 plus 2 whole square x1 minus y1 whole square x2 minus y2 whole square so 5 plus 1 ho jabo second wala number negative thakile positive ho jay distance formula exercise 7.1 la formula chola ase de 4 plus 2 is 6 square plus 6 square root 36 plus 36 root 72 do 6 square into 2 lai do 6 root 2 jo so area of rhombus formula do half diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 so AC into duita diagonal bhi multiply kore half the product of diagonals so 1 by 2 AC to kiman paise 4 root 2 into BD to 6 root 2 1 by 2 into 4 into 6 root 2 do 2 ho jai de root 2 duita multiply korle 2 hai so 2 to cancel the multiply korbi 6 4 is 24 ku unit nahi to square unit to iman korle hobo question number 3 to ine na korle ho jabo neki बहुत लंबा जाओ ना तो इमान तक बोल जाओ दे pause the video and write all the solution next exercise 7.3 करो और बाय चांस पर तो हम मुझे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉल्व करो दिनो मुझे अगले तो इन्हें कमेंट्स लिखी दी मैं सॉल्व करना वीडियो डाल दूँ थैंक यू सो मच